Hey everybody, it's Edison from AutoPro, and we put the comfort in your collision. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change a flat tire. If you were to get a flat tire on the road, make sure you don't stop too suddenly so it doesn't affect the cars around you, and pull over in a safe place. Once you're in a safe place, get the tools out of your trunk and bring them by the flat tire. Loosen the lug nuts by hand so it doesn't shake when it's on the jack. So once you're ready, put the jack under the car in a safe place and jack up the car. Once the tire is fully in the air, you can take the rest of the lug nuts off. Once the lug nuts are off, you can take off the old tire and exchange it with a spare. Once you put the spare on, put all of the lug nuts on and hand tighten them. Once they're on, you can lower the tire and then fully tighten them with the tool. Once the lug nuts are tightened, you can lower the jack and remove it, and then put the tools with the blown out tire in the trunk. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Or if you like, you could stop by at any one of our 3 locations, here in Staten Island, New York, Edison, New Jersey, and Freehold, New Jersey.